So yun guys, basta MLB picks for Thursday, September 14 bukas. So recap muna tayo. Talo, talo yung dalawa natin, Baltimore and Cubs. Pero easy win sa Dodgers over 9. Bounce back tayo today. So mabilis lang to, 2 picks lang to. Pero baka mag-add ako ng play. Check nyo na lang yung comment section ng YouTube and Facebook. So first pick natin is Guardians and Giants. Guardians starting pitcher Logan Allen, 7-7 record with 3.68 ERA. Giants naman, Kyle Harrison, 1-1 with .87 ERA. Both left-handed pitcher. Last game nila, 4 runs lang. Both teams hirap sa left-handed pitcher this season. Hindi sila makarun. So, and both pitcher naman is maayos mag-pitch. So, take natin yung under dito. So, best bet natin dito sa laban na to is Guardians and Giants total runs under 8.5 1 unit. Next, second pick naman agad tayo. Padres and Dodgers. So, sa Padres, starting pitcher Blake Snell, 13-9 record, 2.52 ERA. Sa Dodgers naman, si Ryan Pepio, 2-0 record, 0.86 ERA. So, Blake Snell, isa sa magaling mag-pitch ngayon, season, 2.52 ERA. Ryan Pepio naman, 2 games pa lang, pero both team maayos games. Hindi nagbigay ng run sa last 2 games niya. Dodgers, Mainit, Mookie Betts, Freeman, consistent yung hit. So, pick natin dito sa laban na to is Los Angeles Dodgers moneyline 1 unit. So, recap ulit sa pick natin. First pick, Guardians and Giants total runs under 8.5 1 unit. Second pick naman, Los Angeles Dodgers moneyline 1 unit. So, abang nyo mamaya magdadagdag pa ako ng isang baka isa or dalawang play. Ko-comment ko na lang sa comment section sa YouTube and Facebook kasi hindi pa nalabas yung line eh. Ewan ko ba't ganyan yung sportsbook dito sa Pinas. So, yun lang. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Sana it's our lucky day. So, yun. Thank you.